Hey everyone, and welcome back. Let's connect your Calendly to Google Calendar or Outlook in just a few steps, so you never get double-booked burst. Log into your Calendly account. Click your profile picture and go to Connections. Click Connect next to either Google or Outlook. You'll be prompted to sign in and give Calendly permission to access your calendars. That's the main connection done. Now, let's configure it. Go to an event type and find the Calendar Connection section. Make sure it's set to check you're connected. Calendar for all events. This is crucial. It blocks off any existing appointments as busy time now. When someone books a time in Calendly, it automatically adds the event to your calendar. And that time slot is instantly blocked for everyone else. You're all set. Your schedule is now perfectly set. If this saves you from booking conflicts, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.